Ever dream of YouTube fame? Imagine reaching millions of viewers, gaining subscribers by the thousands, and even making a living from your videos. Sounds amazing, right? But hate being on camera? Maybe you're camera shy. Or you just don't want to put your face out there for the world to see. Good news! You can rake in cash with faceless YouTube shorts. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be in front of the camera to create engaging content. No need to show your face. No awkward on-camera moments. You can stay completely anonymous and still build a successful channel. Just awesome content that brings in the views. Think about it. People love watching cute and funny animal videos. Think viral animal videos are just cute. They are more than that. They are a goldmine of opportunities. Think again. They can be your path to YouTube riches. Imagine turning your love for animals into a profitable venture. But you need the right strategy. It's not just about uploading random videos. You need a plan. That's where this guide comes in. We'll walk you through every step of the process. We'll show you how to pick a winning niche, create killer content, and keep your audience engaged and optimize like a pro. From understanding YouTube's algorithm to using the right tags and descriptions. Ready to become the next YouTube sensation? Let's dive in. The journey to success starts now. It's easier than you think. With the right guidance and a bit of effort, you can achieve your dreams. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn your passion for animals into a profitable online business. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and make your YouTube dreams a reality. First things first, you need a niche. What kind of animal videos will you create? Don't just pick something random. Go for a niche that's both popular and profitable. Take hippos, for example. Sounds random, right? But one hippo, Mudang, is making serious waves and cash on YouTube. His videos are raking in thousands of dollars. Why hippos? They're unique, funny, and people love watching them. Plus, there's less competition than in oversaturated niches like puppies or kittens. The lesson? Do your research. Find an animal niche that's trending and has potential. Keywords are like magic spells that make your videos appear in search results. But how do you find the right ones? Easy. Use YouTube's search bar. Type in your niche, like hippos, and see what pops up. Pay attention to the suggestions. These are the keywords people are actually searching for. Want to get even more specific? Use filters. Filter by popularity to see what's trending right now. This will give you golden keyword ideas for your videos. Keywords are key to getting your videos seen. Use them wisely. Don't reinvent the wheel. Learn from the best in the business. Find successful channels in your niche and analyze their strategies. What kind of videos are they making? What titles, thumbnails, and tags are they using? What's working well for them? Don't just copy them, though. Put your own spin on things. Find ways to differentiate your content and stand out from the crowd. Remember, you're not just competing with other animal channels. You're competing for attention in the vast YouTube universe. Section 5, crafting killer content, hook, story, action. Now for the fun part, creating your videos. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Whether you're filming adorable otters or any other subject, the key is to make your content engaging and memorable, but don't just slap together random clips. A well-thought-out video can make a world of difference. You need a plan, a vision, and most importantly, a structure that keeps viewers glued to the screen. Start with a hook. This is your chance to grab their attention right from the get-go. The first 3 seconds are crucial. Grab their attention in the first 3 seconds with something intriguing. Think of it as the bait that lures them in. It could be a funny moment, a surprising fact, or an unanswered question that piques their curiosity. Think funny moments, surprising facts, or unanswered questions. Next, weave a story. This is where you give your video depth and meaning. Give your animal a personality. Show their daily life, their quirks, their adventures. Make your audience care about them. Show their daily life, their quirks, their adventures. This helps in building a connection with your audience. They should feel like they know the animal personally. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you craft compelling narratives. Use these tools to brainstorm ideas, structure your story, and even write scripts. Finally, end with a call to action. This is your chance to engage with your audience directly. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or watch more. Engagement is key to YouTube success. Engagement is key to YouTube success. The more your audience interacts with your content, the more likely it is to be recommended to others. Remember, you're not just sharing videos, you're entertaining an audience. Your goal is to create a memorable experience that keeps them coming back for more. Section 6, Visuals and Voiceovers, bringing your videos to life. Visuals are everything on YouTube. Luckily, you don't need to film your own footage. Plenty of websites offer copyright-free animal clips. Pixabay and Pexels are great places to start. You can also find royalty-free stock footage on sites like Shutterstock and iStock. Once you have your visuals, it's time to add voiceover. AI tools like 11 Labs can generate incredibly realistic voices. Experiment with different genders, ages, accents, and emotions to find the perfect fit for your videos. Remember, the right voiceover can make or break your video. Choose wisely. Section 7, Editing and Captions, polishing your masterpiece. Raw footage is just the beginning. Editing is where the magic truly happens. Use a user-friendly editing app like CapCut to trim, cut, and polish your videos. Cut out dead air, add transitions, and use jump cuts to keep the pace snappy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different editing techniques. Captions are also crucial. Not only do they make your videos accessible to a wider audience, but they also improve watch time. YouTube's auto caption feature is a good starting point, but always double check for accuracy and style. Remember, editing is like adding spice to your dish. It enhances the flavor and makes it irresistible. Section 8, Optimization and Growth, getting seen and heard. You've created awesome content, now it's time to get it seen. The journey to visibility starts with understanding the platform's algorithms and how they work. Optimization is key to ranking higher in search results and attracting viewers. First, post consistently. Consistency builds trust with your audience and signals to YouTube that your channel is active and reliable. YouTube loves a regular upload schedule. This doesn't mean you have to post daily, but having a predictable schedule helps. Aim for at least once a week, or even better, every other day. Next, create eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are like the cover of a book. They need to be compelling enough to make someone want to click. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Use high-quality images, bright colors, and bold text to grab attention. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images. Don't forget about tags. Tags are crucial for helping YouTube understand the content of your video. These help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific keywords related to your content. This will help your video appear in both general and niche searches, increasing your chances of being discovered. Finally, engage with your audience. Engagement is a two-way street. The more you interact with your viewers, the more likely they are to return and recommend your channel to others. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your channel. This not only boosts your video's performance, but also fosters a loyal fan base. Remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Growth takes time, and it's important to stay patient and persistent. Be patient, consistent, and keep creating great content. Over time, your efforts will pay off and your channel will grow. Section 9, Level Up Monetization and Community, ready to turn your passion into profit, YouTube Shorts. Monetization requires 10 million views in the last 90 days. It's a high bar, but achievable. One shortcut is to purchase a pre-monetized account. This gives you a head start on earning ad revenue. Joining creator communities can also accelerate your growth. Discord servers and Facebook groups are great places to connect with other YouTubers, share tips, and get support. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a whole community of creators out there ready to help you succeed.